Blizzard tried to put other games into World of Warcraft. Enjoy the video. Okay, gotta jump all over these buildings and crap. Yeah, that's right. Clear that. Oh yeah, clear that like a boss. Get up here, get up here, get up here. Oh yeah. Awesome to the max. Yeah. Finally, about the Warcraft Minecraft mod. Heard you have to mine trees, so let's start out by going over here and mine a tree. Yay, finally. Okay, heard you take out your pickaxe and you click the tree. Click the tree. Mine 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 anything. Mine this. Mine that. Mine it. Just no. Nerd quit. Zergrush! Nobody Zergrushing? Nobody? About you? You're not Zergrushing? Oh, well. Worth a try. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!